You know, the first thing I'll say is, Levon, I think you remember putting this right around my waist. Remember it like it was yesterday. First, I gotta keep this down here. You're so big.
ამ სცენაზე თქო და ხვალე მე გათრევდი. რანაირი ჩემპიონი ხარ თქო ხვალე დავინახო.
Hey, do you remember when my good friend Hermes made you quit? Do you remember when that kid asked you if you needed oxygen? You remember that? That was the funniest thing we've seen here so far, when that kid asked you if you were going to need oxygen.
Those micro movements will be everything!